Alright, we got a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 4.7 liter V8, and got this car for my little boy for his 16th birthday. And then pretty nice overall condition actually, but on the first time taking it out for about an hour worth of driving, it ended up overheating on us, and then I opened the hood. There was a bunch of antifreeze spewed around, and then I limped it along trying to get home, just turning it off, letting it cool down, going for a minute, turning it back off, and then pretty soon the engine didn't even want to start up, so I ended up having to tow it home this morning. I'm going to go ahead and get started taking the front end apart. I think it may have slipped time, but regardless, I need to get in there and see what's wrong with it. So take the front end apart today, pull the radiator out, drain the fluid, take the